Most business owners in the UAE are choosing accounting software the wrong way. They go for what looks popular globally, then struggle when VAT rules, invoicing standards, or multi-currency needs don't work smoothly. And that creates expensive mistakes later. Here's the truth no one tells you. In the UAE, accounting software is not just about tracking money. It is about VAT compliance, multi-currency support, and fast invoicing that matches real business flow in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and across free zones. In this video, you'll learn the best accounting software for UAE businesses in 2026, what each one does best, and how to pick the right one for your company so you stay compliant and save time every month. Let's get straight into it. If you are running a business like Ali's trading company in Dubai or Sarah's digital agency in Abu Dhabi, your core needs are simple but strict. You need VAT-ready invoicing, expense tracking, bank integration, and accurate financial reports. But here is where most people fail. They ignore VAT automation until filing season hits, and then everything becomes stressful. First up is QuickBooks Online. This is one of the most widely used platforms in the UAE. It handles VAT well, supports multi-currency transactions, and connects with banks easily. It's great for small to medium businesses. But here's the problem. It can feel slightly complex if you are completely new to accounting. Next is Zero. This is extremely popular with UAE accountants and finance consultants. It is clean, fast, and excellent for collaboration. If you work with a team or an accountant, Zero makes real-time updates simple. Now here's where it gets interesting. Many UAE firms prefer Zero specifically because it handles multiple currencies without confusion. Then we have Zoho Books. This is a strong choice for UAE startups. It is affordable, cloud-based, and built with VAT compliance in mind. It also integrates well with other Zoho business tools. For small companies, this is often the most cost-effective solution. Next is Sage Business Cloud Accounting. This is a more traditional system, but it is trusted for strong financial reporting and stability. It works well for established businesses that need structure and control rather than flashy features. Finally, there is TilePrime. This is still widely used in trading businesses across the UAE, especially in retail and import-export companies. It is powerful for inventory and accounting together, but the interface feels more traditional compared to cloud-first tools. So how do you choose? If you want simplicity and global reliability, go with eZero. If you want strong features and scalability, QuickBooks is a solid choice. If you are a startup watching costs, Zoho Books is ideal. And if you are in trading or inventory-heavy business, TilePrime still holds strong value. Here is the key takeaway. In the UAE, the best accounting software is the one that keeps your VAT filing stress-free and your cash flow clear in real time. Now you know exactly what works in 2026 for UAE businesses. If this helped you understand your options, like the video, comment with your business type, and subscribe for more simple business breakdowns like this.